Over the last 12 months, I've tried out hundreds of insane AI image and AI video generation tools, and I've found some unbelievable tools that can do lots of things, from generating images from text, to animating drawings, to generating full-blown viral movie trailers. With even more crazy advances in AI image and video generation coming over the next 12 months, I'm going to run through the 14 best AI tools for generating images and video that you can use right now that are all completely free. Now make sure you stick around to the end of today's video for an insane tool that lets you control specific areas of a video just with your mouse. So hit that subscribe button and let's jump into the first tool on the list, which has already been responsible for creating some crazy viral videos. So Pika Labs is a text-to-video AI generator that has some amazing features. Pika is freely accessible via their Discord server, which works much like Midjourney, which we'll look at later on in this video too. You can upload a 2D image and have it animate, or you can generate a video entirely from text. The short video clips and animations are very cool, and these can be clipped together in video editing software to build your own short film. Pika have also recently launched their web app, which allows AI editing of your videos and a much more accessible interface, which is really cool. Next, we've got ClipDrop, which is a suite of image tools from Stability.ai, who are the team that created Stable Diffusion. If you're not familiar with Stable Diffusion, it's an image generation and editing model that can create descriptive images with short prompts similar to Midjourney and dall-e from OpenAI. ClipDrop features AI image editing tools including a background remover, an image upscaler, face swap, and more. Its most impressive feature is its inclusion of Stable Diffusion XL Turbo that enables easy image generation and can even generate words within those images. The paid version with unlimited runs costs £60 per year, and the interface is really easy to use, and you can even plug in the API to your own app. I've been using ClipDrop on its free tier for a while, and it saves me loads of time when it comes to creating images and editing existing images, as it's just so easy to use, and I use it all the time for simple tasks like removing backgrounds from images or just tidying up imperfections. Now, of all the freely available AI image generation tools, for me, Midjourney still produces the most original and impressive results, despite the fact that the interface has remained on Discord, which for many people may represent a bit of a barrier to entry over other image generation tools available with a simple web interface. That being said, if you can navigate the Midjourney Discord server to one of the free general image gen channels, you simply need to type /imagine and then type in your prompt followed by a comma and any style guidance that you want to provide. A quick tip here, if you're just getting started, is to check out other people's prompts to see what styles you like. You can then upscale the image you like or ask for variations to a specific image so that you can perfect your final image before exporting it to your desktop. Now, did you know that OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, have their own image generation model called dall-e, which saw a major upgrade with dall-e 3 launching at the end of 2023. In my opinion, dall-e 3 is now up there with Stable Diffusion and Midjourney in terms of image quality, and has a major advantage by being slightly easier to use when accessed via ChatGPT. Currently, dall-e 3 is available on ChatGPT Plus subscriptions, but it's coming to OpenAI Labs in 2024, and you can head over to OpenAI Labs right now to check out dall-e 2 and start creating images. One of OpenAI's biggest investors, Microsoft, has its own image tool called Image Creator, which is part of Bing, and it also has its own freestanding website that comes with free image generation capabilities. You can generate images with prompts, which, while not quite as comprehensive as the latest Stable Diffusion or Midjourney releases, or as easy to use as dall-e 3 and ChatGPT, are still really impressive. You can then download or share your created images. The coolest feature here, however, is the ability to edit the images directly in Microsoft Designer, which gives you more manual control coupled with AI editing tools to save you time, and it's a little bit like Canva or ClipDrop once you import your image into it. Ideogram is a newer image generation AI tool that offers a number of preset image generation styles on its web app, including one labeled typography, which renders lettering in different colors, fonts, sizes, and styling. Other preset styles include 3D rendering, cinematic, painting, fashion, product illustration, conceptual art, and others. You can select multiple styles all at once and apply them all together. However, Ideogram also lacks some of the other features available on rival image generators like zoom out or outpainting, and its results were less consistent in my tests, with its typography for rendering a book cover similar to what I've seen with dall-e 3. It's still definitely worth checking out, however. Next up, we've got Leonardo AI. Leonardo offers a selection of fine-tuned AI image generation models, as well as models like Stable Diffusion, coupled with manual image controllers to help you to create amazing content as quickly as possible. I really like Leonardo as it takes a lot of the complexity out of the advanced features of AI models like Stable Diffusion. I've previously used local installations and cloud-based installations like Run Diffusion to access all of the latest Stable Diffusion features, plugins, and community additions and fine-tunings, but Leonardo brings all of these into one place and simplifies a lot of the controls, such as using an image to wait a prompt. Leonardo offers a free tier that includes a daily quota of tokens, which can be used for your creative projects within the platform, and the free tier doesn't come with an expiry date, so you can use it for as long as you like. The paid subscriptions come with a few extra benefits: an increased token allowance, faster image generation, and access to the latest premium features. Now, Playground AI is another AI suite of tools that uses Stability AI and its own fine-tuned image generation models to help you create amazing AI art. AI Playground is somewhat unique in that its canvas-style interface allows for lots of space when creating images, and this also allows for a minimalist interface style, which might be appealing to anyone who finds the endless sliders and parameters of other AI tools a little bit overwhelming. It's super easy to use and gives some amazing results using the filter styles provided. Next up, we've got Magic Studio, which is a suite of AI image generation and editing tools with a focus on very specific use cases, such as the recently launched AI headshot generator, which allows you to upload any basic selfie of yourself and have it optimized as a headshot suitable for LinkedIn. The product photo creator is also really impressive too, creating 3D product photos, which are ideal for brands wanting to test out multiple images of their physical product which they're selling. Magic Studio also comes with things like background removal, blurring, and lots of other helpful features too, and it's definitely worth checking out on their very generous free tier. LayerPix allows us to bring images to life by turning 2D images into captivating 3D animations using AI. It's really simple too. You just need to upload any image, and then you can adjust the sliders to change the animation style, speed, and amplitude. There's also a more advanced depth map editor to allow powerful customizations, although this does take a little bit of playing around with to make it look good. You can then export your animation as an MP4 file, GIF, as well as a host of other formats too. The free tier comes with a watermark and non-commercial use with limits on resolution, but it's still really fun to use. Now, AutoDraw is insanely fun to use and shows off some of the more creative aspects of AI tools. You can think of AutoDraw a little bit like old school MS Paint, but with AI. As you draw a shape, AutoDraw will complete that shape and interpret your sketch into something more professional looking. AutoDraw is actually part of Google's Experiments Lab, and it's completely free to try out. It's also just really fun to see if the AI can guess what you're drawing. Now, if you're a game dev, you'll want to check out Skybox from Blockade, as it's really cool, especially if you love creativity and world building. The Skybox AI creates AI-generated 360-degree panoramas at the click of a button. You can select from a number of styles and then enter your custom prompt to create your own virtual space in a matter of seconds. My engineering team at Verti is made up of game developers, and the system allows game devs to generate endless Skybox ideas, which can then be imported into a game engine. On paid plans, cube maps can be exported into 3D engines like Unity, Unreal, Blender, or even Roblox. The free tier comes with limits, but it's definitely worth checking out. Next up, we've got Luma AI, and Luma's mission is to allow 3D assets to be generated as easily as possible. The company's base product allows anyone to upload 2D images or video and have them turned into a 3D model that can then be exported into 3D rendering software. But Luma's latest feature is its Genie AI, which is super cool. This is currently available on Discord only, but will be very familiar to anyone that's used Midjourney before. Once you've joined the Genie server on Discord, you can head over to one of the free channels, hit /prompt, and then instruct the AI to generate a 3D model from your text. You can also check out some of the latest generated assets in the Showcase channel too. Now, playphrase.me is an AI tool that allows users to search and play movie and TV show dialogue clips using keywords. It works a little bit like a movie video clip search engine, and it uses natural language to quickly pick out any phrase from over 7 million video clips. The interface includes options to save favorite video clips and download those videos for use in other projects. If you're trying to find the perfect video clip to drop into a longer video or social post, it massively saves you time, a little bit like Giphy does for memes. Now, as a little extra bonus video generative AI tool, I wanted to touch on Runway, which is leading the charge when it comes to text to video AI. Its Gen 1 model is available on iOS, and Gen 2 is able to realistically and consistently synthesize new videos, and it's really exciting to see what lies ahead for AI generated video. Runway is essentially a suite of AI video tools featuring everything from training custom models to slowing down and removing the background of existing videos. Gen 2 is absolutely insane, with live video masking and generative video from text. And its latest feature allows you to control specific areas of your video with the motion brush tool to give you amazing control over how images actually animate. Now, I really hope you've enjoyed this deep dive into AI generated image and video tools. I've got another video looking at more amazing AI tools that are worth checking out that will actually blow your mind, which I'll pop up over here. Thanks so much for watching and for subscribing, and I'll catch you again next time. See ya.